When Scott Gilmartin stepped in as head coach of both girls volleyball and basketball, he issued a challenge. Commit, all year, to your team and to yourself. They answered. That's when Excel Athletic Training was born. And the results? Both programs rose to the top of the Mayflower League. And now, it's your turn. This summer, Excel Athletics returns to the female athletes of South Shore Tech. Commit to the program and unlock your peak performance across every sport you play. Because when individuals improve, teams succeed. For just $100, train all summer long with your teammates. Starting June 8th through August 6th, show up, put in the work, and earn more than just results. This summer, push yourself out of your comfort zone. Do more than you ever thought possible. Work together toward one goal. Excel this summer.